students, welcome back to another episode of HeArt Teaching. Today we're going to talk about a famous artist. Today's artist is the super famous Vincent van Gogh. What was he famous for? Well, he was famous for being an outcast for one thing. He was not a famous artist while he was alive. In fact, he was not liked by most of the people who met him. And yet, he still became a famous artist. Today, he's famous for his paintings that feel alive. Van Gogh wanted to quickly capture a moment in time, so his paintings show his wild brushstrokes. He's also famous for his sunflower paintings. He loved painting sunflowers to show gratitude or thanks to his friend. So today, I thought we would draw a Vincent van Gogh sunflower together. Remember to pause the video if you need more time to finish a step. For this project, all you will need is a piece of white paper, a pencil, an eraser, a black marker or crayon, and some colored markers or crayons. Somewhere above the middle of the paper, draw a circle. Make sure to leave space around the circle for the flower petals. Somewhere above the circle, we're going to draw a triangle with round sides. Turn your paper and do it again. Make sure the bottoms of the triangles connect. Do this all the way around. Add more flower petals in between our first flower petals. And on each flower petal, add a line that stops before it gets to the tip. Now, on the inside of the flower, we're going to draw some diagonal lines. Draw some diagonal lines going one way. They don't have to touch the side of the circle. And then draw some diagonal lines going the opposite direction. They also don't have to touch the side of the circle. Now for the flower stem. Let's add two parallel vertical lines. Vertical means up, down. Parallel means they never touch. Good. Now let's add some leaves. Draw two curved parallel lines on each side of your stem. Parallel means they never touch. Starting on the end of the bottom line, draw a valley followed by a hill. It sort of looks like a sideways S. Do the same thing on the other stem. Starting on the bottom, draw a valley followed by a hill. It should look like a sideways S going in the opposite direction. Remember to go down first for the valley and then back up for the hill. Each time you go down first. To finish the leaf, start on the top of the stem and draw only a big hill that connects to the end of your S line. Do the same thing on the other side. Draw only a big hill that connects to the end of your S line. For this one, we go up and then down, only once. For the line in the middle of the leaf, we're going to start at the tip this time and go almost all the way to the stem. Do it on the other side. And now we're ready to trace. Take out your black marker or crayon and trace all of your pencil lines. When you're done tracing all of your shapes, add background details and color. And there is our Vincent van Gogh sunflower. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me and Van Gogh. Next week we're going to talk about another famous artist, and we're going to need a few extra materials. Make sure to have white paper, pencil and eraser, Q-tips, and paint to dip the Q-tips in. Thank you so much for drawing with me. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. I'm Miss Davis, and until next time, keep drawing.